When it comes to selecting baby car seats, most parents are seeking the very best and safest as a top priority and often consider the pricing of more expensive options to be a better option. The most important feature that's needed is to first make sure the car seat is properly installed as a safety device. Often parents think purchasing more expensive car seats will provide better safety. However, proper installation should be the most important over the car seat being more expensive. These are the top, best and safest baby car seats for 2020 and beyond. Zip Air Harness Plus Booster Car Seat by Chico MyFit. Designed to grow with your child from toddler through their big kid stage and has an average customer rating of 5 stars. Infant Car Seat by UPPAbaby Mesa. Features include integrated side impact protection plus convenient one-button stroller release with an average customer rating of 4.1 stars. Infant Car Seat Stroller with Latch Base by Duna Plus. Duna Plus Infant Car Seat Stroller with Latch Base features a versatile design that allows use as a full-featured car seat and a handy stroller in one with an average customer rating of 4.8 stars. 3-in-1 Harness Booster Car Seat by Graco Transitions. SimpliSafe Adjust Harness System adjusts the harness and headrest to 8 height positions, with no rethreading and has an average customer rating of 4.5 stars. Feel free to visit charmposh.com to see the complete list.